Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using scanner class for finding the area of the circle in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program which intakes radius as input from the user into the program and then prints the area of the circle as output of the program. Now, to solve this Java program, you should have this knowledge of how to find the area of the circle. If the user inputs radius to this Java program as an input, using that radius, how to find the area of the circle. The formula for finding the area of the circle is pi into r, that is radius into radius. So if the user has inputted radius as 5, this r will become 5. 5 into 5, 2 times you have to multiply 5 by itself, 5 into 5. And that result you have to multiply with pi. Okay, there's a mathematical thing known as pi whose value is generally 3.14. For basic programs 3.14 is enough. For advanced programs you have to increase the precision here, that is 3.141, like that you have to give more decimal points. Okay, so here 3.14 you can take in this particular example to solve this Java program. Fine. Generally, it is 3.1415, like that it will be there. Okay, fine. So I am considering only 3.14 here, 3.14 here, 3.1415, like that it will be there. I'm just taking only 3.14 here. Fine. So now you need to write the Java program, guys. You understood the logic also, right? How to build this logic also you understood, right? Okay, so only you will get R as an input to this program, radius as an input to this program, and that too you have to accept the input using the scanner class and then calculate the solution and then print that result. That is this the result of this particular formula is nothing but the area of the circle that you have to print in the output. So start writing the program, and once you are done writing this Java program, guys, you can resume this video. Okay, so when you are writing the Java program, you can pause this video. Once you are done with writing the Java program, now you can resume this video so that you can find the solution that I am providing. Then, so that you can cross check your Java program with mine to see if there are any differences or if there is something that you can improve in your Java programs from my way of writing the code. So let me give you the solution for this program. Right click here and create a new class. I'll just name this class as demo 8. With main method I'll create, and inside this main method I'm going to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner, and here I'll write down system.in. I'll hold the mouse on the scanner and import it from java.util package like this. After that I'll write a print statement, system.out.println. Enter the radius of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we are asking the user to enter the radius of the circle. Okay, so that radius I'm going to find out here. Okay, r is equal to scanner dot next int, put a semicolon here, and now I need to write the formula for finding the area of the circle. How to find the formula for finding this radius can be received in decimal format also. So instead of writing next int, you can also write next double case. Okay, not always the radius will be in non-decimal format, right? It can be in decimal format. So let's write next double instead of next int. Here I'll say double otherwise. Okay, now here I need to calculate the formula to find the area of the circle. Area of circle is equal to double area of circle is equal to pi into r. Pi value is nothing but 3.14. In some cases, if you want to give more decimal points, 141.5 also you can give. Till here you can give. Okay, I'm just giving only up to 3.14 here into r. Whatever the radius you have received from the user, right? That radius you are multiplying here with 3.14 two times. So the solution of this particular result, the result of this particular thing is nothing but the area of the circle, guys, that I want to print it out. System.out.println. Here I'll write down area of the circle is plus area of circle. I'll just print like this, and after that, to overcome this warning message of the scanner object, I'll just close it. Scanner.close. Now run this code. I'll just minimize this so that you can have more screen space here. Right click, run as Java application. So this program will ask the user to enter the radius. For example, if I enter the radius as 5, okay, 5 or 5.2 otherwise, okay, that's okay. You can give any radius. 5.2 I'm giving as a radius. 5.2 will go into the R. 5.2 into 5.2 into 3.14 will be the result. That is area of the circle. You see, area of the circle is printed as 84.90560000. So 2. Okay. So this is how we can calculate the area of the circle. With the help of scanner class, we are intaking the input from the user in decimal format. So I'm using next double in this example. Next double is a better choice here. Instead of next int, we have to use next double. A lot of people write next int, but here to intake the radius may not be in non-decimal format always. It can be in decimal format. So receive the radius in double format. Okay, next double format, that is decimal format, and then multiply that with 3.14. For beginner programs, you can use 3.14. For advanced programs, you can write 3.1415 till there you can use. Okay, then you'll get the area of the circle as output like this. So hope guys you understood how to solve this Java program. So if your program is matching with my program, you're good to go. And if it is not matching, if some correction is required in the Java program that you have written as part of this assignment, you can please correct. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.